Malabar Pied Hornbill is a bird you just can't stop looking at. It has mainly black plumage with white belly and white trailing edge to the wings. The bill is yellow with a large casque that's yellow and black growth on the upper mandible of the bill. Male and female look alike except for the males have dark blue bare skin around eyes, whereas females have white. The breeding season is from January to April. When the time for laying eggs comes, the male and female search for a nest hole together. Then the female enters the nest hole and seals the opening with a temporary cement made of mud and fruit pulp, leaving only one narrow opening, big enough for its beak to receive food from the male. Female lays 2 to 3 white eggs in the whole nest and sheds all its feathers and makes a cushion with those feathers for the young ones and remains inside for around 40 days. During this course of time, the male goes in search of food for himself as well as for the female and the chicks and feed them through the narrow opening. Malabar Pied Hornbills are not picky eaters and will consume everything from fruits and insects to small animals. When the chicks are too big to fit in the nest, the female breaks out and rebuilds the wall, and both parents feed the chicks till they become big enough to fly. As a part of plumage maintenance, Malabar Pied Hornbills take dust bath in groups to keep their feathers in best condition. So that was a little information on Malabar Pied Hornbills. I hope you guys liked it. Rate this video with a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.